Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to change your username in the Waze app on your phone. Whether you want a fresh new identity or just need to correct a typo, this tutorial will make the process simple and clear for you. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the three horizontal lines and tap on them. Next, from the menu options, scroll down and select Settings. After entering the Settings menu, tap on Account and Login. This section allows you to manage your personal information. Then, tap on Username. You will be directed to a page where you can enter your new username. Make sure it fits your preferences and follows any guidelines provided by Waze. Finally, after entering the new username, look to the top right corner and tap on Save. Your new username will now be updated and ready to use in the Waze app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.